Alright guys, we're now at the muffler shop. Moral of the story, just don't go to that shop if you guys are in an Empire. This girl Gap pretty much all EQs in SoCal.
Hold on, what happened, Adrian? So, unfortunately with Jay, we have an unknown ECU version.
What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Damn, this cute. It looks fire from this angle, low-key. I'm telling you guys, bro, I don't know what it is about these stocks, but I love them. Anyways, today should be an eventful day. Hopefully everything goes as planned. For starters, I'm headed to the exhaust shop to fix a fat exhaust leak that I actually have on this car. Not sure if you guys can hear it, but this car has a fat exhaust leak, so we are going to go fix that right now, and after, hopefully, go tune it. Finally gonna tune this thing randomly too. I didn't want to tune it until I fixed this, which I'm actually gonna fix within the next couple of days. I'm already talking to some dude that's actually partying on one of these cars, so I'm gonna get the screen. I didn't want to tune it until I fixed that, but whatever. The homie said, pull up, come tune it. And that's what we're about to go do, but obviously before we tune it, we have to fix that fat exhaust leak. Alright guys, we're now at the muffler shop. I guess there was a leak on the flex pipe. If I would have known about this sooner, I just would have bought a white pipe before the tune. But, I mean, he's already waiting for me, so I just decided to cut the flex pipe real quick.
20 minutes later.
Yo, I'm on my way.
We're about to tune the 370, bro.
Are you ready?
Yeah, we're putting the region fix.
Shit. Alright. Late. Alright, I'm about to pull up. Well, not about to pull up, but I'm on my way already.
You said that like 5 hours ago, bro.
Okay, well, I'm on my way now for real.
More than an hour ago.
Guys, so right after that last clip, I heard the exhaust leak. I turned around. They told me that now it was a bolt that was loose, I think from the header to the test pipe. They tightened it, I left again, and the car sounds the exact same from when I got there. The only difference is that I paid $130 for them to cut off a flex pipe that was leaking supposedly. Like, I would get it if like the car sounded a little bit better, but it sounds the exact way from when I pulled up. So $130 to the trash. Do not go to that muffler shop, bro. And now they told me that they think one of my gaskets is out from my header to the test pipe. And I told them, all right, cool, bro, like, can you fix it? Because I didn't pay 20 bucks, I paid 130. Like, can I leave the shop without an exhaust leak? And they told me no, that they recommend a gasket from the dealer and this and this and that. Moral of the story, just don't go to that shop if you guys are in an Empire. Do not go to Brothers Mufflers. Just go to Ralph's. I always go to Ralph's, but today this one was closer, and I thought, why not give it a try? As it is, they charge me 50 bucks more than Ralph's does, and now I literally threw my money to the trash. All right, guys, hear me out. I would get it if like the flex pipes made a huge difference, like if the car wasn't sounding how it was anymore, and if like the leak was very small up here by the test pipe. But dude, it sounds the exact same way from when I drove it in, which means the leak from the flex pipes must have not been a big leak at all, which is why I'm so mad. Like, I paid 130 bucks for literally nothing. I do get it, like, I essentially paid for a service to like cut the freaking flex pipes or whatever, but I didn't go to cut my flex pipes off. I went to fix an exhaust leak and it wasn't fixed. Anyways, I'm gonna make the best out of today. I'm just gonna go ahead and full send it and tune it regardless. I'm gonna go link up with the homies, tune this thing, and make this thing shoot some flames now that I have to fix the exhaust leak anyway. What is this dude doing? He's been going in and out of traffic for like the last 3 minutes. That used to be you in high school. What's up, bros?
What's up, dude?
Finally made it?
I guess you're gonna be on YouTube, so
Yeah, but so the homie David actually bought this 370 like, what, you bought this what, like 2 weeks ago? 3 weeks ago? Damn, it's just cammed already or what? Huh? It's cammed or what? It's just a shitty tune, isn't it? Damn. This is David's other car. He actually he copied me. Bro, I'm busy right now. He actually copied me.
Hey, go to Walmart.
Got the same wheels as me. I'm just ignoring him. Damn, that's a fat band. What the hell is this?
I know, dude.
Damn, these are reps.
Oh, wow.
You should go to Walmart.
Looks good though. You guys hear something? I don't hear anything. Anyways. Looks good though. It looks really good. All over Adrian. Bro, how does your girl have a way better car than you? Like, honestly, how?
Well, she paid for it.
Dude, this shit looks freaking sick. Compared to your car, like, your shit's on your car.
Mommy and daddy's supposed to.
Yeah, then you are or what?
She paid for it.
You are?
I am?
Yeah.
I am.
Dude, this shit is sick, I'm not gonna lie. Super clean. This girl Gap pretty much all EQs in SoCal, I would say, besides his.
She took my car to work today.
Oh really?
Yeah.
This thing is so fucking sick.
Alright, hey, go to Walmart for me.
Admin tuning. So I guess this man is gonna tune his car on the 85 right now. Is he gonna be on your channel?
Yes. I'm gonna gap you too.
He's always like, yes. Like all like, I thought I had seen it all. This is gonna suck out the fuel from here and put it in his 4Runner.
So what?
Talk about cheap.
Hey, you're taking that, you're cheap. You have to hold this. No, you got, oh, you're gonna have to hold it in there, like floating.
Oh, floating? I don't think I'm gonna get
Higher, lift it higher. Okay. Right there, fuck it, just send it.
Anybody got?
You're leaking everywhere. Slow down, slow down.
Anybody got a lighter?
I'm getting all over my shoe. Dude, you're pouring too fast. Like slow.
Out to the dyno we go. I guess Adrian's gonna be tuning some guys on the dyno, and me and him are gonna get street tuned. We'll probably race after, but he's on the 85, so he's gonna gab me. It's time, guys. Damn, tuning the Q.
He's gonna edit this part.
What do you need? Why is everybody recording me?
Hurry up!
Alright, if I fuck up your cable, don't cry. What's so funny, bro?
It's fucking stupid.
So it turns out we can't tune because this ECU is what?
You
Kinda
just
locked?
That's why. Yeah. That's fine.
Hold on, what happened, Adrian? Can you
So, unfortunately with Jay, have an unknown ECU version means this is one of the first times this car's ever been tuned, like this ECU, right? I gotta dump the ROM, the information of the ECU, send it to ECU Tech. They'll crack it, make a file, and then send it to me in like 2 to 3 weeks.
So it's locked?
Basically. No, not that it's locked, it's just it's never been, this type of ECU's never been tuned before.
So you do that with everybody?
No. You just...
So it's, I guess it's an unknown ECU, so you have to send it to ECU Tech. It'll take 2 to 3 weeks.
I got tuned. I'm having fun, bro. I don't know about you.
Well, guys, today was a complete shit show. First the muffler shop, now this. I really couldn't believe it. I thought Adrian was joking with me, but I guess the ECU is like something about it being unknown or something. He has to send it over to ECU Tech for them to like do a file and then send it back. He said like probably like a week or 2. All right, guys, change of plans. We're going home. But this man, he's gonna buy a Tomei for a car he doesn't even have yet. So, can I say what kind of car you want to get?
Yeah.
So he wants to get a 370 like very soon. And when we're driving home, like Loki kind of bummed out, and he was like, "Bro, there's a Tomei for sale on the way home. Should we get it?" And he hit the guy up, and he was actually down to meet up right now. So, except we're getting a Tomei. Sheesh, homie, pull up in the clean sheet that you said.
See, bro, you didn't see that shit first.
Thank you, bro. This thing is clean, guys. Can never go wrong with black chrome RPF1s, bro. I believe that's the IPO front bumper. Might be wrong. I'm not sure. This thing is clean, guys. Very clean. I guess he told me that he's about to boost it too. He's about to join the boosted VQ gang. Hell yeah. But Tomei is secured. My boy Eric is literally buying a Tomei without a car yet. That's funny. I think it's actually pretty good condition too. It's not too bad. Got it for a good deal. Alright guys, it is now the next day. Low-key, I got home yesterday. I was bummed out still. The whole muffler shop and tune situation, I mean, it's cool. Whatever. It is what it is. On the bright side, now I have more time to fix the stupid exhaust leak, and then we can tune it. And I might just throw it on 85. Might as well, since I'm waiting like 2 to 3 weeks. So it could be cheaper at the pump. And it could be faster. So the homie's gonna go get dyno 2 later tonight. I might go and see it. I might take the Z, I might not. Probably not, probably take the Q. But that'll probably be the next video. With that being said, I'm so sorry guys. I already thought this video was gonna have me tuning the car, shooting flames, etc. But things happen, whatever. If you guys enjoyed this video and if you guys are excited to see this cartoon like I am, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell button so you guys can be there whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.